You never knew what you were going to get in what classroom you were assigned.
The complaints were off the charts for them. They were putting Band-Aids on things, and they just didn't have the operating funds to do complete fixes.
It's literally physically important to have a room that is comfortable for learning.
All colleges and universities are challenged with funding critical campus infrastructure improvements and deferred maintenance projects. LaSalle University in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania chose Siemens to develop a performance-based solution that addressed these critical capital investments.
Antiquated. What I mean by antiquated is we do have a lot of buildings that have a lot of really old equipment that is very labor intensive.
There was a lack of control of the buildings on campus. We also identified significant comfort problems which affected the learning environment. This enables us to develop performance-based solutions which can help the university meet their targets for energy consumption, for sustainability, and for the financial aspects as well.
So the set point for the room is...
The major components of the contract were going to be to get our hands finally around the energy management system, the automation, the components that are lacking here at LaSalle University in terms of facilities management.
The first step of identifying the components of the performance-based solution was to conduct an investment-grade energy audit that uncovered major issues with the campus infrastructure.
The investment-grade audit is critical. We come in with a blank piece of paper. We bring in our engineers and we do a very comprehensive collaborative approach with the university.
With that investment-grade audit project and that survey, they identified all of the major components of what we needed to improve in these facilities so that we could start chipping away at some of the deferred maintenance that had developed over time.
The energy audit for LaSalle was very important because it would be giving us options. Air conveyance systems, the systems that were improperly controlling buildings, different lighting changes that would provide better lighting, water usage savings. So we were very, very excited to be able to say, what can we choose and which buildings?
It allowed us to prioritize our capital planning. So we could restructure where some of our expense was going to go in related to renovations projects that we were doing.
It's actually a perfect situation for a performance contract. This is what we need to do to be able to address these issues and create money through savings, energy savings, to help pay for upgrades on the infrastructure.
Savings from the Siemens performance-based solution allowed LaSalle University to accelerate its upgrades of smart classrooms that were not part of the original performance contract.
Based on savings from major components of the project, we were able to install new smart technology classrooms in Albany Hall. In the past, we were able to do about 2 a year. With this project, we were able to accelerate and install 14 in literally one summer.
The students came back, there was a big wow effect. The classrooms were comfortable. The professors were able to teach in a more efficient manner. It dramatically increased the learning environment for the students.
Physical facilities are extremely important for students. It's just a happier environment because you physically feel like being here.
In addition to the significant operational savings achieved by the performance-based solution, Siemens found public utility rebates that resulted in even more cost reductions.
The local utility is offering incentives for businesses and institutions to implement energy-saving measures. We found a substantial amount of inefficient equipment out here.
Well, Siemens really did a great job and has applied for all those rebates for us. So LaSalle is going to be a benefactor of about $250,000 in savings just in those rebates also. So that's been very effective for us.
The learning environment should be dramatically improved.
This has been a fun project for many ways. Seeing the results that we got on an immediate basis, we were able to reduce our energy and improve the comfort. And you're able to see the students enjoying class more, the professors enjoying teaching. It's been extremely satisfying from that standpoint.
The project definitely met my expectations. I'm very pleased. This is something I'm very willing to stand behind and recommend, and not only for the savings for the university, but it's just a good partnership. It's just the right thing to do.
There's real savings here. There's real confidence in the university that we can achieve those savings, and I think Siemens came forward with a good solution. We were able to identify almost in many respects guaranteed savings to the university of almost up to 20% of our savings in energy expense that we are able now to put back into operations. We're able to put it back into some capital improvements, and we've also gained a lot of operational efficiency from it.